students, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about rounding off. So let's start. What is rounding off? Rounding off is a way to replace a number with a simpler approximate value. Rounding numbers makes calculations simple, resulting in a figure that is easy to remember. Rounding off to the nearest 10, 100, 1000. Step 1. Find between which two tens or hundreds or thousands the number lies. Step 2. Find the halfway number. Step 3. Mark the number you have to round off correctly on the number line. Please note that a number at the midway point is always rounded to the next larger number. Let's take an example. Rounding off 42 to the nearest 10. Step 1. We will check where 42 lies on the number line of 10 numbers. Here 42 lies between 40 and 50. Step 2. We will find out the middle number. Here 45 is the middle number. Step 3. Find out 42 is closer to which number, and also we will check either 42 is less than or greater than middle number. Here 42 is closer to 40 and 42 is less than 45. So 42 is rounded to 40. Let's take one more example. Rounding off 286 to the nearest 100. Step 1. We will check where 286 lies on the number line of 100 numbers. Here 286 lies between 200 and 300. Step 2. We will find out the middle number. Here 250 is the middle number. Step 3. We will check 286 is closer to which number, and also we will check either 286 is less than or greater than middle number. Here 286 is closer to 300 and 286 is greater than 250. So 286 is rounded to 300. Next, rounding off 1278 to the nearest 1000. We will check where 1278 lies on the number line of 1000 numbers. Here 1278 lies between 1000 and 2000. Step 2. We will find out the middle number. 1500 is the middle number. Step 3. We will check either 1278 is closer to which number, and also we will check either 1278 is less than or greater than the middle number. Here 1278 is closer to 1000 and 1278 is less than 1500. So 1278 is rounded to 1000. Here we will discuss one more method. Round to the nearest 10. When rounding to the nearest 10, consider the digit in the ones place. If the ones digit is less than 5, round it down the previous closest 10. If the ones digit is 5 or greater, round it up to the next closest. Let's take an example. Round 564 to the nearest 10. Here ones digit is 4. Since 4 is less than 5, round it down to the nearest 10. The tens digit remains the same and the ones digit becomes 0. So 564 is rounded to 560. Next, round 786 to the nearest 10. Here ones digit is 6. Since 6 is greater than 5, round it up to the nearest 10. We need to add 1 to the tens digit and change the ones digit to 0. So, 786 is rounded to 790. Next, round to the nearest 100. When rounding to the nearest 100, consider the digit in the tens place. If the tens digit is less than 5, round it down to the previous closest 100. If the tens digit is 5 or greater, round it up to the next closest 100. Let's take an example. Round 546 to the nearest 100. Here tens digit is 4. Since 4 is less than 5, round it down to the nearest 100. The hundredth digit remain the same and the ones digit and tens digit becomes 0. So 546 is rounded to 500. One more example. Round 672 to the nearest 100. Here tens digit is 7. Since 7 is greater than 5, round it up to the nearest 100. We need to add 1 to the 100 digit and change the ones and tens digit to 0. So 672 is rounded to 700. Round to the nearest 1000. When rounding to the nearest 1000, consider the digit in the 100 place. If the 100 digit is less than 5, round it down to the previous closest 1000. If the 100 digit is 5 or greater, round it up to the next closest 1000. Let's take an example. Round 2278 to the nearest 1000. Here, 100th digit is 2. Since 2 is less than 5, round it down to the nearest 1000. The 1000 digit remains the same and the hundreds, tens and ones digit becomes 0. 2278 is rounded to 2000. Next example, round 4627 to the nearest 1000. 100 digit is 6. Since 6 is greater than 5, round it up to the nearest 1000. We need to add 1 to the 1000 digit and change the ones, tens and 100 digit to 0. So 4627 is rounded to 5000. Let's take another example. We will round off the number 6892 to the nearest 10, 100,000. First, round off 6892 to the nearest 10. सबसे पहले हम वंस प्लेस चेक करेंगे. वंस प्लेस पर 2 है जो कि 5 से छोटा होता है. नियरेस्ट 10 पर राउंड ऑफ का मतलब वंस प्लेस पर 0 होना चाहिए. हमने करना क्या है, 2 की जगह पर 0 और बाकी डिजिट सेम ही लिख देंगे. सो 6892 इज राउंडेड टू 6890. नेक्स्ट, राउंड ऑफ 6892 टू द नियरेस्ट 100. यहाँ हम टेंस प्लेस चेक करेंगे. टेंस प्लेस पर 9 है जो कि 5 से बड़ा होता है. नियरेस्ट 100 पर राउंड ऑफ का मतलब वंस टेंस पर 0 होना चाहिए. हमने करना क्या है, टेंस और वंस प्लेस पर 0 लिख देंगे, मतलब 9 और 2 की जगह पर 0, और 100 प्लेस डिजिट पर जो 8 है उसमें 1 ऐड कर देंगे तो 9 हो जाएगा. 1000 प्लेस डिजिट सेम रहेगी, मतलब 1000 प्लेस पर 6 ही लिखना है. सो 6892 इज राउंडेड टू 6900. नाउ राउंड ऑफ 6892 टू द नियरेस्ट 1000. या हम 100 प्लेस चेक करेंगे. 100 प्लेस पर 8 है जो 5 से बड़ा होता है. नियरेस्ट 1000 पर राउंड ऑफ का मतलब 100 टेंस और वंस प्लेस पर 0 होना चाहिए। हमने करना क्या है, 100 टेंस और वंस प्लेस पर 0 लिखना है और 1000 डिजिट में 1 ऐड करेंगे, मतलब 892 की जगह पर 0 लिखेंगे और 6 में 1 ऐड करेंगे तो 7 हो जाएगा। सो 6892 इज राउंडेड टू 7000. I hope you understood the concept taught in this video. Please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.